In the last video, we repaired the E-revo 2.0.
And in this video, we're gonna drive it with sledgehammers. Welcome back.
If you haven't already, subscribe and ring the bell so you do not miss any of our uploads.
We got the E-revo repaired and we fitted sledgehammers on it.
Sledgehammers from the Maxx, and it doesn't look too bad. I think it looks actually pretty cool.
We just happened to get about 8 inches of fresh snow, so we probably should go out and test the E-revo with sledgehammers.
We'll bring the Haas along for the ride too. It is a really nice day out. Like, guys, what is the temperature outside?
It's 36 degrees outside.
Ooh.
Anyway.
I hear a snowmobile.
Yeah, there's snowmobiles going around somewhere out there. We've got the 3S 5000 milliamp battery, fits in the Haas perfect. We love this battery. You're like, guys, can you hear it?
Here he comes. 3 of them, 4 of them. We're still recording. You want this on still?
No, it's fine, it's fine. Here's our nice messy studio. Kind of messy. It's clean but messy.
Wow!
Did you see that?
That was... Oh.
Can we do that?
Just about a standing backflip.
Can we? Oh, that would be epic if we could do that.
It worked!
Like you did it, but you didn't.
Wow.
That was some trick. It's like super sunny and everything. That was light, fluffy snow, and it's fine.
Stuck.
That was no speed. But like, this is very deep stuff.
Full send. Here we go.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, oh shoot. There you go. Oh,
No way.
just barely.
I high centered it. Let's see how she drifts. Y'all ready for this?
3, 2, 1, go. Gonna be honest, that was like the worst drift I've ever seen
Yeah,
in my
me
life.
too. Why? She's
I mean, you
squirrely.
did drift. Your first drift was like, I'll imitate your first drift. It's like,
It's like a Sunday drive.
yeah.
Yeah, you did that. I'm putting my hoodie on.
Okay. Oh, over. You didn't even.
Oh, upside down.
If I was able to.
Oh,
Oh,
hey, he
oh.
did it. He does it, folks.
And I.
Get out of there. Look at that.
No way.
that, Hossy.
No way, bro.
Sophie's king in the wintertime.
No way. Look at
We
that
need- we
snow
need
that
to
it
stand
self-righted
here.
in. Look at the snow. This is like fluffy stuff.
Hit that
It
cable.
just keeps going. All right, the E-revo's going.
Oh, it's not real good for jumping.
Oh, let's see. Let's see it.
It's not good. Not
Kinda
good
not.
at all.
Where did our jumps go? We should go to the road and see if those have jumps.
That road jump right
Yeah.
there.
It's very straight.
It's abrupt.
3, 2, 1, go. Hey, I mean, you jumped it.
Right down. You made it.
And I'm still. No! Look at it. I got out of that. Let's see how terrible it is. I mean, I did go pretty deep in there.
Nope.
Nope. This seems super chunky, but I wonder if you could do anything with it.
Here goes.
We'll go ahead. 3, 2, 1, go.
Stuck.
Ah.
3, 2, 1, go!
You guys did not even see that. Oh, they saw that. Oh my.
That's like right where you were.
One. Oh. Wait a minute, wait a dang minute. That's a good Instagram picture right there. You see this line right here? That is the start and finish line. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I wiped out. Oh, you wiped out.
I'm upside down.
I can't stay.
I think you're gonna win.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh shoot, I'm wiping out again. Oh, no, no, no. I'm stuck.
It just decided to be a ballerina.
Why can't it go in a straight line?
Neither can I. All right, what do we do next?
Car race.
Don't know why, but it's not doing too good. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I had a wheelie. Oh!
Oh, there went the black body.
Oh! Hey, I didn't do anything. I was driving in a straight line. Why can't it go in a straight line?
So was I.
Straight into me. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, it's super powdery.
Here goes.
3, 2, 1, go. Here we go.
Boy, it's pretty windy over there.
Why did it turn?
Yeah.
It's deep. I'm stuck there.
Oops.
Man, that freaking wind is so... I'm sorry, guys. This is a family-friendly channel. I said freaking. Sorry if I offended you. I won't ever say that freaking word again. It was a perfect circle, too. It's beautiful. I can't fathom.
Here it is.
It's a perfect loop-de-loop. It's not like a perfect circle, but it's a perfect loop-de-loop. I don't want to wreck it. You can like see the full turning radius of the car. That was perfect. Did you see that control?
But she went to 50%.
Oh, look at her full speed now. It's just...
She's just... Yeah, that's the end. Well, guys, let's take it back up to the studio and give you our final thoughts.
No.
No?
Before you do that, I want to see you actually try it, because you didn't try it yet.
Oh, I guess.
I
We
just
better
once.
take...
Like once or twice. I just want to see that.
Nail her a couple times or...
I almost forgot. Jeez. The whole video's about the E-revo. Keep going, keep going. Keep.
I just went to 50% power too.
We both went to 50% power at the same time. How?
Come on, come on.
Oh, can I fit one more in? It just died.
Right at the bottom of the jump.
Well, guys, we had an awesome day out there today.
Not totally convinced that the sledgehammers are awesome on the E-revo.
Yeah, it's interesting. I mean, I like the look of them, but I feel like they don't mix with
Quite a bit smaller tire than the E-revo tires.
They don't mix with the snow as well, just because it's a heavier car and it doesn't really make that much of a difference. I feel like it does need a bigger tire to be able to get through that. Yeah.
Anyway, it was fun. We enjoyed it. We proved again that the Haas has got to be just about the best snow vehicle that Traxxas has ever made.
I think we're probably going to resort to the Proline trenchers on the E-revo.
For now, yep.
For now, just because it needs a bigger tire to be able to get through that snow. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you do not miss any of our new uploads. And that is it for this video. If you didn't already know, we made our Traxxas Supra brushless, so go check out that video and we will see you in the next video. 3x7 Outdoors signing out.
Bye for now.